Imagine a song with just one note, played over and over. You turn it off, right? Writing can be the same. If every sentence has the same length and rhythm, your reader tunes out. To write a masterpiece, you need to vary your sentence architecture. Think of it like having 3 tools in your toolbox. First, the simple sentence. It's one main idea. It's punchy, clear, and fast. Then, the compound sentence, which links 2 equal ideas together, creating balance. And finally, the complex sentence. This one is for the details, showing how one idea depends on another. A skilled writer uses all 3. But it's not just about sentence type. It's about how you start them. Break the habit of starting every sentence with the or he. Try opening with how an action happens. Cautiously, the explorer stepped forward. Or with an action itself. Shimmering in the moonlight, the lake looked magical. This small change prevents boredom instantly. Most importantly, listen to the rhythm. Varying your sentence length creates music. Listen to this pattern: long, then short, then medium. Here's a storm. As the thunder rumbled across the valley like a waking giant, the first heavy drops of rain began to pelt the dry earth. Then the sky broke. Lightning flashed with blinding intensity, and the trees bowed before the howling wind. See that? The long, detailed sentence is followed by a sharp, sharp punch. That contrast is powerful. Finally, choose an active voice. Don't say, "The village was scorched by the dragon." It feels passive, distant. Say, "The dragon scorched the village." It's direct, it has energy. So before you finish, perform a final audit. Read your work aloud. Does it sound robotic or does it have a beat? You're not just a writer, you're a composer. Your job is to make the words sing.